You gonna stop crying or talk to me? What's going on, man?
Bro. Like, this shit, we just having a bad shit. I got shit over here, bro. That shit, we get on a flight, go home, and go our ways, bro. That's
it's still here.
Okay, no.
Because y'all bought it here.
Right.
All right. So right now, you're gonna walk out with this gentleman. We're gonna rebook you. There's no more questions. There's no more. That's.
You feel me? Like I ain't never been to jail here. I have no family here. Nothing. It's only me.
Everything to you.
I hear you. Please.
This one.
On June 4th, 2025, officers from the Broward Sheriff's Office responded to Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport following reports of a possible domestic assault. What began as a relationship dispute escalated into criminal charges, raising critical questions about trespass law, officer discretion, and the consequences of non-compliance. This case demonstrates how lawful police intervention can transform into arrest when subjects refuse to follow clear legal orders.
What's going on, guys?
The lady told you?
No. What's up?
So there was a lady that came up to me and said that somebody over by America was assaulting a woman, but I told her to come get you guys. I don't know where she went.
American where?
She didn't tell me, that's what I'm saying. I told her to come get y'all. And
American where?
she just said over there somewhere, but I was like, okay, stay. Do me a favor. There's a police officer.
I'll walk through. You're good.
Sorry about that, bro. I thought
No problem.
Bravo 31, carry.
10-4. Everything's 10-4. Show us that Echo 3.
That's my girlfriend. What the f?
Hey guys, have a seat.
We is good, bro. I'm having a whole bad day. No, that's my girlfriend. We is okay, bro.
Young man.
Yes.
Talk to me.
We just having a bad disagreement.
Yeah, y'all have been having a bad day.
A bad day.
And you almost didn't even make it out of here. So what's the problem
I'm
now?
trying to make it out of here right now. I'm good. You can ask her if she okay and everything.
Come on, young lady. Let's go take a walk.
31.
31.
Just make sure you're 48, Echo 2, not Echo 3.
I'm at Echo 3.
You're not. No, you're not.
Good morning.
Ask her. Talk to her.
Ma'am. You here with them or do you? Are you here with them?
I just sat out.
Pick another seat.
Yeah.
I appreciate you.
Right. I ain't trying to go to jail. You're getting close. I'm sorry. I'm trying to sit here on my gate and go.
this is the same.
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
Babe, you okay, baby? You alright? Everything alright, baby?
You gonna stop crying or talk to me? What's going on, man?
Bro. Like, this shit, we just having a bad shit. I got shit over here, bro. That shit, we get on a flight, go home, and go our ways, bro. That's
Whatever it is, it's verbal, so you can still talk to me because no one saw anyone hurt anyway. Right? What's her name?
Her name is Gia. She good.
Okay.
You can talk to her.
No, you don't need to stop talking to me.
We're about tired of you, man.
Hey, do me a
Listen to
favor.
me.
Hey.
We're about tired of you, so stop.
Hey, do me a favor. We'll stand over there with him, okay? You can leave it right there, man.
It's gonna pass this.
Or put it in your pocket.
I'm about to. Hello?
Ma'am, do you need police assistance? Do you need police assistance, ma'am?
Listen, stop crying and just tell me what's up real quick. Okay? I'll help you out if I can. I'm not going to be mean to you. I'm not going to be a jerk, but you got to tell me what's up. Whoa. Wait, honey, I can't understand you if you're crying. So chill for a minute and then kind of give me an idea. Where are you guys going? You traveling together?
I'm going to Buffalo. Yeah, he has my plane ticket.
Okay.
Passport.
Are you guys married?
No.
Just boyfriend and girlfriend?
Why are we here again, man?
No, we just heard. I'm touching you.
Yeah, I guess
we here because we had.
Please.
Can you come up closer to me? We here because we had a disagreement. That's it. You feel me? Then we was talking. We just keep having an argument back and forth.
Is this an ongoing argument that y'all?
No, we done with the argument. It's over. We was sitting there chilling, talking. You feel me? But it's people keep calling us, telling that my girlfriend is cheating on me. You get what I'm saying? And she telling me that she not, whatever. And I'm believing her. I just want to get home. I just want to get home. That's it.
Were you fighting before you came to the airport, or this started here?
It started here.
Why?
First off, we got kicked off the first plane.
Why?
And then, because of an altercation. The girl thought she heard him say something, and then that altercation
A
happened.
girl like the employee?
Yeah, the employee.
Okay.
So then he got us kicked off the plane.
Okay.
And then, so I went with him because obviously he bought my ticket or whatever.
Right.
And then we came back, then he started screaming. Then we came here, he got a text message from somebody that said I was doing something, and he wanted to believe it and hit me in the freaking mouth with his phone.
So he wanted to believe some stupid shit on the
something
phone.
on his phone.
Okay, that you were doing something wrong, but you weren't.
I'm the manager. Can I see the boarding pass for a second?
He has
everything. Okay, so then he started to accuse you of whatever nonsense, and it wasn't true.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what?
And he was on my face.
Okay, and then you were arguing back and forth after that?
No, that's what I screamed when I got.
Oh, you were screaming because he was up in your face?
No, because he hit me in the face with the phone.
With the phone, okay.
I don't care.
All right, hold on, babe, don't yell. Because here's the thing. When you guys were going there to Buffalo, you want to see your people or his people?
We live together in the apartment. We do. We live
Up there or down here?
in Buffalo.
You and him live together in
yeah,
Buffalo?
we're coming from.
So you're going home.
Yeah.
You're not going to see somebody. Okay. Here's the thing. Forget what he's doing right now. You have to remain calm and be chill, or they're not going to let you fly. So, don't yell over there. Don't, get, with it, him, right? Just listen to him real quick. Listen to him.
So, this is where we're at. You and him have a ticket to leave. Alright?
Bernie, go ahead.
This is your passport, correct?
Yes, we are. Thank you.
You've been trying to get out of here all day, right? Any more interaction with us, they're going to cancel all of your tickets, and then you're going to have to go to Miami.
That's what I was just telling her.
This is the last place you can actually fly out of at this time. You understand what I'm saying? What I'm saying is, we're going to give you a chance to get on your plane and leave. But no more dramatics. No more dramatics.
Nobody was being dramatic.
Ma'am,
If
I'm not
you get
accusing.
hit in the face, you're not acting dramatic. I'm tired of letting this little slide embarrassing us throughout the whole airport.
Here's the thing,
I
man.
don't
You were
care.
talking to me a second ago? That's not the way you were talking to me.
Yeah, because he came in here
I'm going to walk away.
doing something.
I'm going to walk away.
Alright, so let me ask you a question, because I'm about to deny her boarding, but what about that gentleman? Is he...
One of them got to get out of here.
Okay.
They've been going from gate to gate to gate, and probably airport to airport. Whatever they had issue, wherever they were at, but they're still together. So we need to separate them from out of here. They had an issue somewhere off here. She don't want to talk to me, but she's making accusations now about something that happened somewhere else. And I don't have time for that. We don't need any drama here. All right? So you can't cancel them. We can rebook them at separate, but we want them out. So he can go first, and then she can go on the next flight. Okay. Can you do that?
Yeah, we can do it.
You need the passport?
I have to go to work. I can't go.
Okay.
I can't even get to Buffalo.
What's your final destination?
Buffalo.
All right. Leave her there. He can go next. So, no. I'm making that decision right now. You're not leaving with me. Because whatever happened,
Yes.
it's still here.
Okay, no
Because y'all bought it here.
Right.
All right. So right now, you're gonna walk out with this gentleman. We're gonna rebook you. There's no more questions. There's no more. That's
Under Terry versus Ohio, officers possessed reasonable suspicion to detain both parties based on the third-party assault report creating lawful investigative authority. Florida Statute Section 741.28 defines domestic violence as criminal offenses between persons in a dating relationship, which applied here. The officers properly separated the parties for individual interviews following standard domestic violence protocol to prevent intimidation and obtain accurate statements. When the female victim indicated no physical contact occurred, officers faced a prosecutorial challenge: no victim cooperation, conflicting accounts, no physical evidence. Their initial decision to release both parties with warnings represented sound discretion, attempting resolution without arrest despite the witness report. The legal framework shifted when the male subject refused to comply with officer's separation order. At this point, a new violation began to occur. Florida Statute Section 810.08 governs trespass after warning. The elements are simple: a warning to depart given by authorized persons, and willful refusal to comply. Both elements were clearly satisfied on camera.
No more. No. Let's go.
Can I get on this?
No.
She get on the next one?
No.
I will pay for her to get on the next one.
I already told you.
Move.
I'm a patient. Stop talking to her, man. Just walk. Stop. Unless you want to go to jail. And that's a bond. All right. Keep walking.
Guys, sorry.
Okay, put your hand behind your back. I'm not even doing nothing.
Hey, relax.
I ain't even doing nothing, bro. I just I'm pissed off, bro. Please, y'all. Please, y'all. Can y'all take me to my gate, man?
You're under arrest.
Please, can you take me to my gate, bro? Please, all I did was fall, bro. I'm pissed off, bro. I'm not acting stupid, bro. I'm really just mad as hell. Y'all don't understand what I went through today. I got a whole funeral to go to at 5 o'clock, and y'all not understanding this.
Ma'am, stay here.
Can I get the money at least, or or my charger?
He's not going to give it up, and I can't take it from
Oh,
him.
the charger in his pocket. My phone's gonna die.
I know, but
I have a stop somewhere though, sir. My phone's gonna die.
I will see if I can get it. Please come back and sit down.
He just got arrested.
I missed the funeral already, my great-grandmother. What the man, you really gonna let these people do this to me in the airport?
Doing it to yourself.
You love me? Like, that's crazy, bro. That is crazy, my love. That's crazy. Lift me up, guys. Please, can y'all lift me up? I'm not doing nothing. I'm contained, bro. Like, I'm contained, bro. It's only money in my stuff.
Hey, he's got a bunch of money. Can someone grab this?
Bro, can you please not arrest me? Can I go to the PI?
One, bring your knees up to your chest. 2,
I'm a drink, bro. Can you walk me to the gate, bro? You really did me like this, bro? That's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy, dude. That's crazy. I'm gonna calm down, Mr. Hall. Please just take me to my gate. Please, guys.
You're under arrest. You're going to jail.
In Florida, bro. I don't even know the laws out here, bro.
I don't know. They keep saying that I'm gonna ride by myself. I just want to ride by myself.
He needs your boarding pass again.
He's right in front of our face. I hope they don't kick me off the flight either, because I have no money, no car, no.
Ma'am, I'm gonna give you a refund. Okay, so you're gonna have to book it.
No, sir, I don't have no. Sir, I really don't. He really got me here and paid for my whole trip. I can't. I really can't, sir. Can you talk to him about my
I can try, but
I really can't.
okay, calm down. Calm down. Again, please calm down.
I do everything for that girl. Everything.
She didn't put you in jail, buddy.
Everything. I just want to go home. I live all the way in Buffalo, New York. I got a whole flight. A funeral at 5 o'clock. What time is it? You get what I'm saying? I wasn't going to make it home to 8. I already missed my great-grandmother passing away. Like, that's crazy. Wow. What they do with the rest of my belongings, buddy? Can you talk to me?
No. Everything you were carrying on you, we got.
Okay, guys. Can anybody talk to me, though? Because this is, like, really, like, a lot.
Just wait.
You feel me? Like, I ain't never been to jail here. I have no family here, nothing. It's only me.
Everything to you.
I hear you. Please.
This one.
This place a corner. Damn, why you doing me like that? What the hell, guys?
You did this all to yourself.
Huh?
You did this all to yourself. You're told many times.
Listen to me.
I'm done listening to you.
Why are you on that?
Because I'm done.
You don't know how I feel. You don't know how I feel, bro. You don't know how I feel.
You said it enough.
Huh?
You said enough how you feel. We know your feelings. We're very concerned.
I understand that, but you're not saying I did stop. I did stop. You're not understanding what happened.
Okay.
I did stop. We were just having a talk. We was talking to each other right then and there.
There's 100% no way to get her out of here.
Problem, what if she has a meltdown?
Well, I think the whole thing just had to do with him. Now that he's gone, she'd probably be fine. Now that they're separated and that this is done and over with, he's leaving. He's going to jail. So she's by herself now. I don't think there's anything to worry about with her at this point. She's by herself. But come talk to her. We'll do it, together and make sure. Listen.
He's gonna talk to you.
hear me out for a second. I get it, I understand, but hear me out. Last thing I want to have is a flight at 30,000 feet, because that's going to create a lot of problems for 150, 70 passengers, all right? So I'm going to let you go. I'm going to let you go on board. I'm going to let you fly. Please, just keep quiet, okay? It doesn't seem like it right now, but I understand there was a situation with that gentleman. So at this point, you're going to fly. Just, all right? So do not antagonize with staff or with flight attendants on board, okay?
Yeah, your problem's now dealt with. He's gone.
You understand what he's saying, right? Like, they're gonna let you go, but they're trusting the fact that you're gonna behave and not argue with somebody else later. You know, if you listen, I'm gonna tell you this right now. I cannot be any more serious. If you guys get up in the air and one of those flight attendants says something and you say something back and it turns into an argument, they're gonna land that plane the closest airport to wherever they're at,
take you to jail.
and they're going to take you to jail.
Yeah, I've never been in a fight.
But here's what I told him. Now that dude is gone, you're going to be okay, right? Now that he's gone.
Is that your boyfriend?
Okay. Listen, it might be your boyfriend, and whatever happens when you guys get back to Buffalo is up to you. But right now, you said you have to get to work, right? Okay. So you got to be completely chill. Get on the plane, stay to yourself, take a nap, do whatever you gotta do, get off the plane, get your bags over there in fucking Buffalo, and go to work. His problem, he'll deal with it on his own. When he gets there, he gets there. You know what I'm saying?
You're gonna board at 1:15. The flight's at 2:40. You're probably gonna board at 2 o'clock.
And you're out of here.
45 minutes. You know?
So, you gotta get your charger, charge your phone up now. You know what I mean? That way you got it, you're good to go. You're gonna have to just chill.
Don't touch anything.
I ain't touching nothing. I don't want to touch anything. I just want to talk. You feel me? Y'all really taking me to jail?
Yeah. Hang on.
Can I call my mom? Can I call my mom off my phone? Please, can I call my mom? She's all the way in New York. Please, my mom live in Buffalo, New York.
Step out. Step them out. No, leave them in. Turn them in.
Please.
Law enforcement officers have statutory authority to order individuals to leave airport property when their behavior creates disruption or safety concerns. The Federal Aviation Administration grants airports broad authority to exclude individuals who pose security risks in transportation facilities. When the subject refused multiple direct orders to leave the property, he committed trespass after warning, establishing probable cause for arrest. The disorderly conduct charge stems from Florida Statute Section 877.03, which prohibits acts that breach the peace in public spaces. A loud argument in an airport terminal that required law enforcement intervention and disrupted other passengers satisfies this statute. When officers initiated arrest, the subject's physical resistance triggered use of force analysis under Graham versus Connor. This Supreme Court case establishes that force must be evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene, not with 20/20 hindsight. The physical control and handcuffing used here appears objectively reasonable given the subject's active resistance to a lawful arrest. The officer's decision to allow the female subject to board her flight while arresting only the male demonstrates proportional response and individualized assessment. Their stern warning about federal consequences for in-flight disruption referenced 49 U.S.C. 46504. Interference with flight crew members, a federal offense carrying up to 20 years imprisonment if disruption occurs at altitude. The responding officers receive a grade of B+ for professional handling and sound legal judgment. They demonstrated patience, proper domestic violence protocols, multiple de-escalation attempts, and appropriate use of discretion before escalating to arrest. The male subject receives a grade of D-. He was offered a favorable resolution, allowed to board his flight with minimal conditions. Yet he chose to argue, refuse compliance, and resist arrest, transforming a potential warning into criminal charges and jail booking. The female subject receives a grade of C+. While her emotional distress was genuine, it complicated the investigation and contributed to public disruption. She ultimately complied with officers' instructions and was allowed to proceed to her destination. 3 critical lessons emerge from this case. First, comply now, contest later. The legal system provides remedies for improper police actions, but those remedies are in court, not at the scene through resistance or refusal. Second, officer discretion is not permanent. When offered a favorable resolution, accept it. Continued argument risks losing that discretion. Third, trespass law is simple but powerful. Once ordered to leave property by authorized persons, refusal creates immediate criminal liability. Your belief that the order is unjust does not eliminate your legal obligation to comply. This case demonstrates how poor decision-making in moments of stress can transform minor incidents into serious criminal consequences. The subject had multiple off-ramps, multiple opportunities to avoid arrest, and rejected each one through stubbornness and poor judgment. Let us know in the comments what legal topics you would like analyzed. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Law, for more content.